In this pandemic COVID-19, one outbreak of a virus, novel Chinese coronavirus, brought everything on standstill. And this time we are discussing the economics and types of economics will be the first phase. And this time we will mark the China's economy and which type of economy they followed. So hereby warmly welcome you in new phase of learning this time, where we will discuss economics and economy. A collaboration of resources with alternative use and its resource management so the problem of choice and scarcity can be removed. So economy is an environment, or you can say ecosystem, or a regional based study which delivers us the optimal utilization of resources. अर्थव्यवस्था और एक एरिया की अर्थव्यवस्था की पढ़ाई. Research based on every country and they mark their different economies. Like mixed economy followed in India. Russia, North Korea and China is example of central planned economy. Market economy is followed in UK and USA. Central planned or controlled economy means the identity of resources of productions are under the government control. It marks the complete hierarchy of private sector's absence and public sector dominance. इस इकोनॉमी में मार्केट का कोई रोल नहीं होता, प्राइवेट सेक्टर की प्रेजेंस नहीं होती. एवरी रिसोर्स एंड एक्टिविटी इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय गवर्नमेंट. Dear scholars, again we have assembled and this time we have marking the identity for the phase of economics. And we were discussing the types of economies and the first type we have to discuss, where I've said centrally or controlled. And the word I have said to you, it is planned. Because सेंट्रल यानी कि सेंटर अथॉरिटी ऑफ पावर कंट्रोल करती है आपकी इकोनॉमी को. एंड दिस इकोनॉमी मार्क्स यू द आइडेंटिटी एंड दिस आइडेंटिटी ब्रिंग्स वन इंट्रोडक्शन पॉइंट टू यू, दैट इज गवर्नमेंट. गवर्नमेंट आपके यहाँ प्रोडक्शन, कंजम्पशन, इन्वेस्टमेंट और इनका एक्सचेंज कंट्रोल करेगी. क्या करेगी? इनका एक्सचेंज कंट्रोल करेगी. गवर्नमेंट इज गोइंग टू प्लान योर कंट्रीज ऑल रिसोर्सेज यूटिलाइजेशन एंड देन इट इज कंट्रोल्ड अंडर द गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस which will going to deliver you production and consumption, and that leads to the exchange. And here it has an identity, first identity, कि यहाँ पर सब कुछ public property होगा, public sector dominance होगी, सब कुछ public sector की dominance होगी, because it is controlled by government, and if it is government property then it accounts to your public sector. There is no freedom टू कंज्यूमर. यहाँ नो फ्रीडम टू कंज्यूमर है. टू कंज्यूमर, कंज्यूमर डू नॉट हैव फ्रीडम, कंज्यूमर हैव नो फ्रीडम. वाई? बिकॉज द प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटी इज अंडर द कंट्रोल ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. जब गवर्नमेंट डिसाइड करेगी व्हाट विल बी प्रोड्यूस्ड, सो देन गवर्नमेंट विल ऑटोमेटिकली गोइंग टू डिलीवर यू द कंजम्पशन. So you do not mark the identity of freedom for selection of the products, and the public sector is the dominance. And when these two points are combined, then it frames the third point, which talks about that there will be complete social justice. क्या आप कह सकते हो सोशल वेलफेयर हो सोसाइटी में? सोशल जस्टिस या सोशल वेलफेयर? because everything is under the control of your public or government. when it is going to be connected, so the government will look after for the social justice. And this identity exists in China. China is a country which followed this type of economy. China follows the central and controlled planned economy. Every resource is under the control of government. They mark the production sector, they mark their presence in consumption sector, and then they both exchange the product as per the requirement. And there is public sector dominance because every identity marks the phases of the your public sector presence. सब कुछ पब्लिक के हाथ में है, वहाँ कंज्यूमर के पास फ्रीडम नहीं है. और चाइना एक ऐसी कंट्री है जो इस सिस्टम को फॉलो करती है. एंड दैट्स वाई द गवर्नमेंट कंट्रोल फाइंड्स more strict in China, and this leads to the social welfare, क्योंकि सब कुछ पब्लिक सेक्टर है. पब्लिक सेक्टर will look for the society, looks after the society. So इसका मोटिव नो प्रॉफिट है, प्रॉफिट नहीं है, इन्हें प्रॉफिट नहीं चाहिए. जब इन्हें प्रॉफिट नहीं चाहिए तो दे विल वर्क फॉर द पब्लिक वेलफेयर. And then this will bring you to social justice and social welfare. So hereby we will going to conclude it for the first phase, controlled central planned economy. China prevails it, and government is prominent player. Public sector with no profit motive functions here. Every exchange is under the control of the government. Today we have learned one type of economy which marks the identity of government dominance. Every consumer is not free. Though the world is witnessing globalization, the world scenario is changing, and this is one phase where every time the authority lies in the central power of government. And this time we marks the identity of China, North Korea, etc. And this time the pandemic COVID-19 brought everyone out of the investment perspectives from China. So the withdrawal of China's economy investment is going on. So let's conclude it with a promise to see you again soon for mixed economy and market economy.